大家好, welcome guys. It's finally quiz session again, and the content of this quiz will be vocabularies from lesson 35. So if you haven't reviewed the words that we have there, please watch lesson 35 video first before doing this quiz. So the first question, what is put in Chinese? So we have A. 离开 B. 进 C. 拿 D. 放 So I want you guys to think first. So 离开 is leave, 进 is enter, 拿 is take, and 放 is put. So put in Chinese is 地 放 放. The next one, what is love in Chinese? So we have A. 以前 B. 以后 C. 笑 and D. 哭. So which one do you think is the right answer? Yiqian is before and Yihou is after. Xiao is to laugh and Ku is cry. So the right answer for this question is C. Xiao, xiao. Moving on to the next one. What is enter in Chinese? So we have A. 拿 B. 哭 C. 进 and D. 以后 So let's guess which one of them is correct. So 拿 is take, 哭 is try, 进 is enter, and 以后 is after. So enter in Chinese is 进. The next question, what is before in Chinese? So we have A. 笑 B. 放 C. 离开 and D. 以前 So I will give you time to think. So 笑 is love, 放 is put, 离开 is leave, and 以前 is before. So before in Chinese is 以前 The next question here, what is after in Chinese? So we have A. 放 B. 以后 C. 以前 and D. 拿 So which one do you think is the right answer here? Fang is put, 以后 is after, 以前 is before, and 拿 is take. After in Chinese is 以后 Moving on to the next question. What is cry in Chinese? So we have A. 哭 B. 笑 C. 离开 and D. 进 So I will give you time to think and guess. Ku is cry, 笑 is laugh, 离开 is leave, and 进 is enter. So the right answer for this question is A. Ku. The next one here, what is take in Chinese? So you have A. 进, B. 拿, C. 以前, and D. 哭. So let's try to guess which one of them is the right answer here. So 进 is enter, 拿 is take, 以前 is before, and 哭 is cry. So the right answer for this question is B. 拿. The next one, what is leave in Chinese? We have A. 离开, B. 以后, C. 笑, and D. 放. So I will give you time to think. So 离开 is leave, 以后 is after, 笑 is love, and 放 is put. So leave in Chinese is A. 离开. So that's all guys for today's quiz. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the quiz question. And I will see you guys on our next lesson then.